Now here you see the typical landscape. The Estevas is the pioneer plant who comes as first before all the herbs to re-establish the land. What we do is we cut them with a bush cutter to give more natural material to the land. You could also do it by hand, but we use a bush cutter to mulch them on the land. So we keep the roots in. It gives a new nutrition to the land. So that's the way we use it. But the common practice here, because it's too much work, the common practice is that you use a bulldozer with a disc arrow behind it, and then you go through, and then your Estevas is also gone. That's the same plant, but all the new material, the herbs, all the new plants are also gone. And this means that you put succession back to level 0 and everything has to start all over again. But this is the common practice because, yeah, it's faster to execute, but it's horrifying to see. Deze zijn eigenlijk nodig om te vullen. You have seen earlier what happens when you clean the land of the Estevas with the bulldozer together with the disc arrow. You rip open the land, all the small plants are gone. So we choose to do this manually with a bush cutter. Normally the bush cutter has this protection, which is very nice to have the protection if you hit stones and everything, that it doesn't hit your legs. But to be honest, that doesn't work. Because it's constantly locked into all these bushes. So we decided to take off the protection. Then of course we need some petrol. It's not so nice. We have an electronic ones, but this is not strong enough to do the Estevas. You need this one to protect your face, your ears. And off you go.